Where are we?
I don't know. What exactly is this place?
Yeah, no wonder this is the campus of Universitas Trunajaya of Madura, but it is quite wide, no? And
Yeah.
there's a lot of trees. I love about them. I love trees.
I also. And you can see the floor, the ground, it's very wet.
Yeah, not to mention there's a rain earlier and then suddenly it's freaking hot. What the hell?
Yes, it's terrible weather. I think in this weather, it can cause some people get sick.
Yeah, I get sick easily, so that would be me, I think. What's Yeah?
You guys from here?
no?
No. I can kind of see from here. You guys look confused. Like what's up with that?
So basically we are lost.
Yeah, pretty big. What are you trying to find? Maybe right now.
What's the building name
I
again?
think it's called FISIP.
Oh, visit. Oh, I know that building. That building is that way. Yeah. Okay.
Near from here?
Yeah, I'm from here. I'm actually a student here. I'm
Oh.
an English literature student.
Oh, so who are you? What's
My
your
name is
name?
Arif. Okay, see. Now, you're finding video, so follow me.
Hi. I'm Faik, by the way.
Yeah, good. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Wow, this is a great place. They even have a great field.
Really? I mean, it's not that great. I mean, any university would have like
Yo, watch out.
garden adu.
This is slippery. It's slippery.
Thanks. Yeah, it just rain around. This place always get wet when it's raining.
But
Kind of weird.
it's fantastic, as my friend said. Like, I could feel the oxygen around here.
Yeah.
Like, for real.
Yeah, I guess it's really refreshing. But I mean, you only see the good side. You haven't seen the.
What's this
kind of-
place called?
Yeah, just a garden. A garden for university.
Oh, campus garden,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically. People hang out here. Not much people right now. I mean, it's raining. Who would want to go here?
Are people still
We
in
would.
Yeah,
in the night?
What?
Are people still in here in the night?
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes.
What they do?
I don't know. They just sit around, do something.
Oh, maybe university stuff. Ah,
Probably.
I get it.
I don't know. There's quite a lot of stuff. By the way, if you're looking for visit, it's the building over there. You can't really see it right now, but it's there. We'll get there eventually. We'll take a time.
Oh,
Anyway,
that-
why are you guys here?
That orange one, wait. That orange one?
Yeah.
We are here actually. We are abroad students,
I see.
but we did lost in our first day here, so we kind of late for class right now. But
Yeah, I guess.
yeah, but we realized that this is holiday. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Sorry, Arif.
Yeah.
What the name of that tree?
I have no idea.
I think
Look,
that's palm
I'm
tree.
studying literature. I'm not studying nature. I don't know.
That tree doesn't exist in my country.
Yeah, probably some local.
I
tree.
have that in my home though.
Different places. Anyway, that's the building right there. If you can see the orange one and stuff.
Oh, that's called FISIP?
Yeah. Do you wanna go there?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go there. Let's cross the road. Hopefully, now it's not crowded. It's fine.
Oh,
Go there. Careful. Careful, it's kind of wet. You might trip your shoulder. There's motorcycle. Is there?
nah.
Nah, it's fine.
So this is FISIP?
Yeah. Visit.
What's FISIP stands for?
It's faculty of what is it? Like social
Oh, watch
and,
out.
stuff, and culture. Yeah, there's water.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, there's water here. It's like social and culture, building and stuff. Honestly, I don't really know much about this place.
So, who's gonna?
Oh wait, you wanted to go here, right? Oh, hold on. I don't know much because hold on. I am first semester. Hold on. I do have a friend that is part of the
Really,
organization.
he's a friend.
He probably knows more than me.
Hey, come sit down.
Yeah, give me like a few seconds. I'm gonna call him real quick.
Tumben, harus nurusin apa ya? Halo, Rip.
P, Rom.
Ya, kenapa?
Ya, butuh bantuan.
Perlu. Soal apa emang?
Bisa.
Ini aku masih sibuk. Masih bentar lagi udah rapat ini ngurus barang-barang ini.
Cepat anjir.
Iya, iya.
Nanti sip.
Sebentar. Yo, wes. OTW.
That's really cool though.
Yeah.
That girl is very sexy.
He'll be here in a minute. Yeah, we can wait.
Alright.
Just sit down. He's not gonna be here for like another 10 minutes or 15 minutes probably.
I don't know. I wanna explore.
Yeah, you can explore stuff. There's
Guys,
not much honestly.
yo, shit. Let's go. Thank you, man.
Yeah. I'll see you again later. Yo, come. Agak awkward. Yo.
Hey.
Yeah. This is my friend by the way, Romi. His organization here.
Romy.
My name is Rosid.
Yeah.
I'm Faik.
we already know each other. Anyway, you guys were wondering about FISIP, right?
Yeah.
And my friend is, an organization, that kinda deal with this, so he kinda know a lot. So, jelasin nih FISIP gimana antarku apa?
Oh, he cannot speak English.
No, he cannot speak English. Not that well. That's why I can help you translate. Don't worry about it.
How about we talk when also we explore physics?
Yeah, sure. Let's walk around. Might as well,
So what is FISIP stand for?
FISIP apa kepanjangannya?
Jadi FISIP itu kepanjangan dari Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Budaya. Ya, FISIP ini salah satu fakultas yang berada di Universitas Trunojoyo, Madura.
Yo, what is
Uh,
it?
he said that FISIP is a faculty of social and culture, one of the many faculty in this university. It's orange as you can see and stuff.
But I thought it's a bit with as far I'm concerned that physics should be P, not B that I see in many university around Indonesia.
Well, it's as far as I know, the P is usually for politics. This one is for like budaya, which mean culture and here and stuff.
Oh, so instead of politics, it talks about
Culture.
and stuff.
Yeah,
Oh, that's interesting.
And then what is it?
Oh,
No,
because,
you go.
what's that floor one for? How much is there art?
Ada berapa di sini sama lantai-lantai ini ada apa ini?
Untuk di FISIP ini, di gedung FISIP terdapat 3 lantai. Untuk di lantai pertama itu digunakan oleh dosen seperti
Duduk sini lah sambil nunggu daripada jalan capek. Mending kita duduk sini saja udah.
Oh, what's this called?
Nah, it's gazebo, basically kind of like place for student to sit around or do something. Anyway, we can just sit here and wait. Lanjut.
The traditional building.
Yeah, it's pretty popular here and stuff.
Quite
Yeah.
nice.
Yes.
Ya,
I like
nanya tadi lantai ada apa ya?
Modern.
Ya, untuk di FISIP ini ada 3 lantai. Untuk lantai pertama itu hanya digunakan oleh dosen dan pegawai lainnya seperti satpam itu. Terus di lantai 1 ini terdapat ruang TU, terus ada kamar mandi juga, toilet juga untuk dosen, terus ada kaprodi juga, ruang kaprodi, ruang baca untuk membaca, terus ada ruang multimedia yang isinya hanya untuk teknologi.
So the first floor is basically for like a lot of the lecturer and a lot of the staff around here. There's multiple room for each lecturer, from each major and stuff. There is some room for the staff like bedroom and stuff. There is for administration right over there and sometimes and stuff.
So what's the major in physics? You said that there's a culture something. Is that all of them are culture?
Di FISIP ini apa jurusannya apa ya? Dan kan FISIP kan budaya, itu bagian budayanya apa?
Jadi untuk di FISIP ini terdapat 4 jurusan. Ada yang pertama itu ada psikologi, yang kedua itu ada sosiologi, yang ketiga ilmu komunikasi, dan keempat itu adalah sastra Inggris. Dan setiap jurusan ini terdapat 4 warna yang berbeda. Biru itu untuk ilmu komunikasi, terus abu-abu itu untuk sosiologi, ungu itu untuk psikologi, dan yang terakhir itu kuning untuk sastra Inggris.
So basically in this faculty there's 4 major. There is psychology, sociology, there is communication, and there is English literature, which where I came from. And you know each major they have like kind of like their own color. If you can see, like you know, one is purple for psychology. There's communication is blue. Then you can't really see, but like their sociology is gray, and
What's
English
yours?
English literature is yellow.
Oh,
Kinda-
yours is
kinda
yellow.
weird, yeah. But yeah.
That makes sense.
Uh,
So is the major room divided or just go by one place, like the psychology one, or they just divided into part room like sociology with themselves and communication with themselves?
Kalau misal kayak ruang kelasnya tuh dipisah atau jadi satu, misal si sosiologi ada kelasnya sendiri, atau sastra Inggris ada kelasnya, atau udah jadi satu di sini atau gimana?
Oh ya, untuk di setiap jurusan itu mempunyai kelas yang berbeda. Biasanya ya kalau dari aku sendiri ya, itu berada di sebelah
Oke.
timur, dan 2 kelas lainnya itu ada di sebelah barat gitu. Dan untuk lantai 2 itu hanya untuk dikhususkan kelas-kelas untuk para mahasiswa saja dan para mahasiswi. Dan untuk lantai 3 itu terdapat toilet dan juga musola, selain kelas untuk mahasiswa dan mahasiswi digunakan untuk belajar.
Dipisah semua berarti kan tiap jurusan ada.
Setiap jurusan ada.
Okay, so basically each major have their own classes. Like for example, English literature one is like somewhere on the east side of this building. That's it. Yeah, on the east side, and like there is sociology, psychology. There's on the west side. There's like you can see here. There's like 3 floor. The second and the third floor is for the classroom. There's like berapa kelas di sini?
Total kalau di total lantai 2 dan lantai 3 ada 12 kelas. Jadi per lantai ada 6 kelas.
Okay, so it's around like 12 room, 6 room in each and stuff. Dan ruangan ber-AC kan ya?
Ya,
Yeah,
AC semua.
yeah, and every room has AC in it, which is very comfortable and stuff.
But the kind of AC in every room that is used AC central or just ordinary AC?
AC-nya di sini udah pakai AC sendiri-sendiri kan di kelas gitu, atau ada AC gede?
Kalau untuk AC sendiri itu di setiap kelas itu ada, dan AC sendiri. Tidak ada yang AC sampai yang besar banget, tidak ada.
So each class has its own AC, so you don't have to worry like one big AC for like all of them. No, they all have their own.
Dan setiap
I
kelas
think
Because I think this is very important to have AC in this weather. You
Yeah, it's hot, it's
because
hot,
very
it's hot,
hot.
panas. Yeah.
Why didn't we just go up to the second floor?
Oh yeah, now that you mention it, we are kind of curious about the room and the
Musola.
musola you mentioned before. What is that?
Mereka tanya kok apa nggak naik ke lantai-lantai atas sekalian dan lihat ruangannya dan sekitar gitu.
karena pintu untuk menuju ke lantai 2 dan lantai 3 itu ditutup dikarenakan FISIP hari ini adalah hari libur, Sabtu dan Minggu. Waktunya itu untuk istirahat seperti itu. Beda sama hari Senin sampai hari Jumat, pintunya itu kebuka untuk aktivitas sehari-hari baru bisa naik ke atas.
So basically because it's a free day for FISIP in here, that's why the gate to go up is closed. Only open from like Monday, Jumat sampai Jumat ya. Monday till like Friday, so you know you can go up. And other than that, it's selain hari itu ditutup kan ya. Yeah, other than that it's closed. So unfortunately we
I
can go up.
thought today is Saturday, right?
Yeah.
I thought Saturday is going to be open. Like it's not really weekend. The weekend time is Sunday. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, no, it's
Ah,
not.
that's
No,
the
not
bad
for
thing.
FISIP, I think. Well, yeah.
Can we explore more? My friends here said that he is curious about the building of visit.
Yeah, I mean we can go around more, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, let's just walk around the building. It's not like we can jalan-jalan. Mungkin jelasin apa sekitar FISIP sekalian. Yeah, I know it is really hot here and stuff.
Arif, what the kinds of buildings that?
Oh, bangunan apa ini? Ruangan apa?
Oh, jadi ini adalah ruangan Abstra. Jadi Abstra itu adalah salah satu organisasi yang ada di kampus ini, khususnya di Fakultas Fisip.
It's a like student organization in in FISIP here for specific and stuff. And stuff.
What's Abstra doing?
Abstra ngapain nih?
Wah, kalau orang itu saya kurang tahu sih. Ngapain aja gitu, isinya apa.
He didn't understand. He didn't really know much about Abstra.
Oh, iya. Ada temanku, bentar.
Wait, he's
Dan, aku bisa minta bantuan kamu nggak?
Apa?
Ada turis menanyakan soal Abstra itu apa kan? Kebetulan aku kurang mengetahui Abstra itu apa. Kebetulan ketemu kamu. Kamu kan anak Abstra. Kamu bisa menjelaskan beberapa informasi sedikit nggak soal Abstra?
Bahasa Inggrisku kak, sepiro apa ya?
Gak apa-apa. Pakai
Jelasnya
bahasa
siapa?
Jawa. Ini ada temanku kok bisa translate. Rip, ini Rip.
Oke.
boleh duduk sini.
Oh, oleh, monggo.
Okay. You can sit.
Hi. I'm Faik.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Proceed.
Faik, this is Faik, this is Rashid.
Nice to meet you.
Guys, aku duluan ya, ada rapat.
I'll take care from
Yeah.
Thank you.
He has some work to do.
So, Mr. Tapa, what the kind of activity that Abstra do?
Activity di Abstra ini ngapain aja?
Jadi di Abstra itu sebenarnya banyak ya kegiatannya ya. Mungkin lebih fokus itu ndek kesenian ya. Karena kan Abstra kan termasuk organisasi kesenian juga kan. Jadi termasuk itu ndek kesenian kayak mungkin pentas atau mungkin kayak pameran kayak gitu-gitu. Banyak sih sebenarnya, cuman ya salah satunya itu. Juga di Abstra juga nggak cuman Abstra atau dalamnya itu ada banyak sekali divisi-divisi.
So basically what Abstra is kind of like an art organization from the student, they do a lot of like music, art, and like they do like show that they do in this university and stuff. It kind of goes around the art section of this university, I guess, and stuff.
So one thing I realized is the B that FISIP stands for a while ago is from culture, right? So this is one of the
It's kind of like art and culture and stuff.
I'm also very curious that what the kind of instrument that Tapa play?
Alat musik.
Iki.
That looks like guitar.
Yes, my uncle also that, but
Kayak gitar.
kind of more bigger.
Yeah. Kok kayak gitar, cuma biasanya gitar gede kan, kalau kecil.
Ya mungkin sama ya, cuman ini lebih versi kecilnya aja, namanya itu ukulele.
Ukulele.
It's basically like a smaller tiny stuff. Ukulele. It's called ukulele basically.
Tiny.
Yeah, it's really tiny. It's actually really.
Can you play? I want to see. Listen.
Terung sekali 2 kali.
Wow.
Sama kan kayak gitar.
Yeah, it's the same. It's just smaller.
The voice is quite interesting.
Suaranya agak gitu.
Do you use that too when you are in Abstra?
Uh,
Do you use that in a show?
Ini alat musiknya kayak dipakai nggak kalau ada pentas-pentas atau ada acara apa di sini?
Mungkin ya, nek misalnya ukulele iki gak seberapa sih, yang mungkin sing digunakno iku ya sing gitar. Kan aku kan ya termasuk anggota Abstra, kebetulan juga divisi musik. Jadi ini mungkin kalau ada pentas kayak ngono-ngono iku biasanya itu gunakno iku dudu ukulele tapi gitar. Soalnya kan ya ukulele kan suaranya kan nggak keras kan gitu.
Banyak kan ya, tapi alat musiknya akeh kan
Ya
ya.
banyak kayak ini toh, di dalamnya banyak.
Okay, so basically for this kind of like he kind of uses because he like it. For if it's like a show or like something like really big, he didn't use this one because it's kind of small. It doesn't it's not loud, Like he has an actual guitar inside somewhere, and there's like a lot of other musical instrument, and he's part of the music department. That's why he play a lot of music and stuff.
I guess there's a music division inside that Abstra. I see.
Do Abstra have singer or Abstra just take the singer from outside organization?
Abstra penyanyi nih nggak, atau ambil penyanyi dari luar organisasi gitu?
Kebetulan sih kalau di Abstra itu terutama di divisi musik ya ada penyanyinya. Ya sebenarnya sih kalau basicnya musik ya beberapa ya bisa nyanyi kayak gitu. Jadi ya ada penyanyinya sendiri, jadi nggak ambil dari luar gitu. Kayak gitu.
What you say?
Yeah, there is a singer in here, especially in the music division. There's a specific singer, and basically like everyone in the music the division can kind of sing. So everyone can really sing. So they don't need to take anyone from outside.
Do division music in Apsara have already make an album or make a song, or they just cover from another singer or another group of music?
Oke. Divisi musik ini apa udah pernah kayak ngeluarin album atau enggak, atau cuma nge-cover lagu-lagu lain gitu? Lagu apa?
Kalau apa namanya cover mungkin sering ya cover ya, kayak kalau ada rocker atau apa gitu. Kebetulan kalau masalah album ini lagi proses pembuatan album pertama dari Apsara gitu. Proses.
Basically he said that they already do a lot of cover from other song, lagu tradisional atau lagu modern.
Mungkin lebih ke lagu Indonesia ya. Enggak jarang sih kalau misalnya cover lagu Jawa apa tradisional, jarang sih.
Okay, so basically he kind of like he did cover, like most of the time he cover like Indonesian song, like the Indonesian, kind of like the popular song in Indonesia. I mean it's culture, so it makes sense. Did he already make an album? No, not yet. But right now he said that they are in process to make the first album from Apsara.
That's actually kind of impressive. No, that's not kind of. It's really impressive.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
What?
The Apsara.
It's cool.
Is it possible that we're abroad student to join Apsara?
Kan ya udah dibilang sih bagus sih kalau mau buat album sih ya. And mereka tanya kalau kira-kira mahasiswa dari luar gini bisa nggak daftar gitu ke sini?
Kalau ini kan saya kebetulan cuman anggota ya. Mungkin kalau buat daftar kayaknya nggak iso nih misalnya bukan mahasiswa aktif ya. Tapi
mereka kuliah deh gini.
Oh ya bisa berarti kayak gitu. Nanti kalau misalnya apa mau daftar ya bisa. Kalau bisa tertarik, siapa tahu tertarik. Ya apa?
Yeah. Okay, so you can basically, but you need to be an active student, which means you need to go to college here and stuff. But like after that, you can join in here basically. You can join here.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Yeah. No worries. Makasih mas, makasih. So you wanna do anything else right now?
Yeah, why don't we explore the building more? Like we only explore the in front of the building. I want to see
stuff.
inside now.
Thanks ya, basah tadi.
Sama-sama. Yo.
Is that the members of Apsara?
Anggotanya kan?
Ya itu salah satunya.
Yeah. They're one of the so.
Coba dulu.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you, sir. Ya.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.